Hello students, welcome to Eshwari Thaniksha channel. Students, in this video I'll show you step by step how to fill KCET online application. So students, before filling the online application you have to make registration. So how to make registration, I have already made a video on that. So see that video and do registration process. Once the registration is done, we are going to fill the application. So the first step in filling the application is, after registration you will get a page like this. So in this page you have to enter login ID. So during registration you will get a login ID and password that you have to enter the captcha, and then login using OTP, login using face, new user. So you click login using OTP. So if you click that, OTP will be sent to your mobile number which you used for registration process. So when you enter that OTP here, you will get a page like this. So what are the steps which are involved in registration is, so top you can see these are the steps which are involved. First step is you have to enter your general details. Second step is eligibility clause you have to enter. Registration, study details, NRI ward, upload signature, course details, payment, and then application print. So these are the various steps involved. So let us see the first step. First step is general detail. So general details, register number, father name. So all this will be fetched from registration process. No need to enter. Select state you have to select from which state you are. Address you have to enter. Nationality, select Indian. Religion, select your religion. And then SATS number is optional, it is not mandatory. So if you have SATS number, enter your SATS number here. Then mother's name, mobile number, so this will be already fetched, no need to enter. Then select your district, pin code, resident. So whether you're from India or NRI, you have to select that. If Christian, select the subcaste. And then candidate name, date of birth, email ID. So even this will be already fetched, no need to enter now. Taluk you have to select, qualification, and then mother tongue. You have to select your mother tongue. So after that give save. So when you enter this save, it will open to next page. So next page is eligibility clause. So here what you have to enter is, do you want to claim a seat under NRI ward? So you have to give yes or no. Then total number of years studied in Karnataka. So how many years you studied in Karnataka from 1st to 12th standard, that you have to select, from 1st standard to 10th standard, or 10 years, 12 years, that you have to select. Qualifying exam board. So first PUC or 11th standard, that you have to enter. Then qualifying exam board. So exam board means it is Karnataka board, CBSE board. So the board you have to enter. ICSE board. PUC 12th standard student register number. So 12th standard, if you have already completed, register number you have to enter here. Year of completion of second PUC. Second PUC when you completed, that you have to enter the year. In which district you have completed second PUC, district you have to enter. Details of school you attended, or details of PUC or 12th standard you have entered. And then did you appear for CET or NEET exams earlier to this year? So if you have attempted, then you can write yes or else no. So if you give yes, it will ask the register number. So if you have already attended NEET examination, that NEET examination number you have to enter. And then see here, CET admission ticket number you have to enter. And then year of appearance, in which year you appeared, that you have to enter. Have you obtained any seat in CET, NEET, NATA and joined in the college? Yes or no, you have to enter that. Then eligibility clause. So here eligibility clause will be given to you. Clause A, clause B, clause C, clause D. So check which is your clause. So after you get your clause, select save. After you save, the next page is this, reservations. So students, first, do you want to claim category other than general merit? So if you belong to SC, ST, 2A, 2B, 3A, 3B, so then you have to select yes or else select no. If you select yes, then you have to enter your RD number. So on the caste certificate, RD number will be given. That RD number you will have to enter. Next, do you want to claim income, family income less than 8 lakhs? Yes or no, you have to enter. If you claim yes, again you have to enter the RD number. Next is, are you applying for Article 371J, Kalyana Karnataka Reservation? If you enter yes, you have to give RD number, or else select no. Then, you study in rural area in Karnataka from 1st to 10th standard. If yes, give yes or else no. Then, do you want to claim a religious minority this one? Then give yes or no. If you give yes, again you have to enter the RD number. So all these certificates you have to keep it ready, because RD number you will have to enter here. And then, did you study in Kannada medium from 1st to 10th standard? Yes or no? If yes means give yes or else no. Do you want to claim linguistic minority, this one, category? Then give yes or no. If yes, give yes or else no. Are you a son or daughter of Jammu and Kashmir migrant? Yes or no? Then St. John's reservation claims applicable for medical only. So students, if you want to apply for St. John's Medical College, you have to give here yes or no. So give yes and then select the St. John's category claim. So category claim, you will get category claim like this. See, first is all India General Open Merit. So who should select this is non-Karnataka candidates. Non-Karnataka candidates, and if you are not a Christian, if you don't have any reservation, you have to select this. And second, you have institutional staff quota, Roman Catholic Christian religious, nuns, brothers, priests, Roman Catholic Christian tribals, Roman Catholic Christians of scheduled caste origin, native North Indian Roman Catholic Christians. So many categories are there. Then last you have Karnataka State Open Merit. So if you are from Karnataka and if you are not a Christian, then select Karnataka State Open Merit. So St. John's category you will select. So after that, special category NCC, sports, defense. So if you claim that, you have to select yes or no. Then select the special category claim. So all this you have to select and then you have to give submit button. So once you submit, again a page will open like this. So in this, what are the reservations you have claimed, all the details you will see. Religious minority, if you have claimed, you will get claimed. Linguistic minority, claimed or not claimed. Studied in Kannada medium from 1st to 10th standard. Studied in rural area, Jammu Kashmir migrants, Kalyana Karnataka. So whatever you have claimed, the details you will get here. So after that, you will get a page like this. So here study details you will have to enter. So first, past class. So start from first standard. So first standard, past year, in which year you passed, and then board. So whether it is state board, CBSE board, ICSE board, select that board, and then district. So mention the district in which you studied, and after that, here down you have to enter school name with address. So once you enter, so from first standard to 12th standard you have to enter. So you will get a detail like this. Past class 1, 2, 3 for first standard, second standard, third standard, fourth standard. Then past year you will get educational district, in which district you did your education. Then school name you will get, and then board, Karnataka State Board, CBSE board, ICSE board. So that details you will get here. So once you get that, then again save and go to the next step. So in the next step, it is about NRI details. So if you are claiming NRI ward category, then you have to enter this details, or else we'll go to the next page. So in the next page it is about uploading the document. So what are the documents you need to upload here is two document. So one is your passport size photograph and second is your signature. So you have to upload both and it should be in the size of 50 KB. So this is the step. So after this you have course details, payment and application print. So that I'll show you in the next video. So all the very best, students.